full-scale engineering service company. We are into various things in the mining support service space. We have currently three divisions, as you can see on the board. Our parent company, which was the first part, is Mining and Construction Partners. We provide parts and equipment to the mining industry and support services. And engineering is a full engineering from design to construction. We operate more like a EPC contractor. And then we have the Mark Partners Training School based in Obuasi. Our journey so far has been as suppliers to the industry, and today we are marking a milestone into the production of some key mining inputs into the mining industry. Over the years, we have built a reputation with our customers for reliability in our supply chain. And also we have recognized the need that beyond distribution, we need to do more locally to support the industry. We try to call ourselves local content ambassadors in Ghana. As much as possible, with the assistance of our overseas partners, we want to localize much of the services and products as possible. These are our three divisions, the sales, engineering, and training. But we are here today to launch a new division. As of January this year, we completed the establishment of a rubber factory in Obuasi called Aku Engineering. Basically, it's to produce rubber products for the mining industry. It's everything rubber that the mining industry needs, from wear plates, liners for the mills, impact bars, screening media, and all. So this initiative is out of what is by the Mark Partners Group, and it's in partnership with our OEM supplier out of South Africa, Abewe, who has been in this business for about 30 years. So he is our technical partner, provides quality control in our process. So that's our partners to ensure the quality of our products. We have that international expertise out of our friends in South Africa. So we are providing global expertise, but localized in Ghana here. Now, the question is why this? The mining in Ghana has been here for close to 200 years. And for all these years, we've been importing stuff. We have seen local content became law in 2018, 17, if I'm not wrong. The question has been that would we continue importing, or would we at some point manufacture? So we try to, actually our actions is to try to negate the high dependence on imports of these products, the long lead time, foreign exchange exposures, and obviously it's a clear opportunity that if the products are there, the mines will buy. Our vision basically is to be the provider of engineered rubber solutions, delivering globally trusted products with the help of our OEM partners, and driving efficiency and empowerment in the local workforce. It's purely local content in action. We are using rubber from Ghana, natural rubber, produced by our affiliate company of friends, Narubis. Narubis is we'll talk about them in the next slide. Still Ghanaian workforce. Everybody in the factory is Ghanaian. Although our production matter is Ghanaian, but it came from Sweden. It's at the back there. We'll come in with them. That's our production manager. We are supporting job creation. We are reducing imports and food production and packaging out of Obuasi in Ghana. This is purely local content in action. Local raw material produced by a local Ghanaian company. Local production of the products by a local Ghanaian company. 100% Ghanaian, through and through, but global and international quality. There's a couple of slides to show on the facilities. Now this is based in the Western region. Next slide. This is part of their processing plant in the Obuasi. It is very important that as local entities, we lead the way in changing the narrative about our industry. And personally, I think that the mining industry provides a good opportunity for such. I would say the word experimentation, not because we are experimenting, but that experimentation is of the investment. Most times people are afraid to take the leap because of the money involved, but the market is there. So at Aku, we manufacture rubber irons, combination steel rubber irons. We install, we fabricate, and then we supply. So our first products came out in March, April. We have samples at our stand. They are too heavy to carry here, so a lot of you can go to our stand and you see samples of our products there. We started producing mill lining, OEM grade rubber lining, engineered for octagonal mills and sag mills and ball mills, supported by a trained team. And like I said, with our OEM support, we are ISO-based processes. And also backed by our commitment to be responsive to the market. So the products that we are producing out of our factory, our mill linings, we basically started producing these, that. Screening media, we can do rubber, but not polyurethane now. Our next step is to invest in injection molding to do polyurethane liners. So those who are associated with customers there, let's tell them that Ghana is ready to produce and support. So we want to cover liners and stuff. What sets us apart? Engineering the products here locally, fast turnaround for our customers. You don't need to import and keep in stock. Rubber products are supposed to be kept safely under cover. If you keep it for too long, it will go bad. Here we can produce it for you when you need it. On-demand technical support. We have people. We have technicians and engineers in our floor who will install or follow-up service to you. We see this as a catalyst for self-reliance in the mining supply chain. And that's the key reason why we are doing this. We'll be launching the factory formally towards the end of the year, and we will invite you guys. But already products have come out since March, and we have commitments from clients to start trials. Like I said, we have samples of the products already in our stand up there, and I'll invite you guys to come and have a look. You see there's no difference from what we have been importing. It's top grade quality rubber engineered here in Ghana, produced in Ghana for the use of our mines. Next slide. We don't see local content as an issue of compliance that you must have a stake in a business or produce, buy something and sell. We want to create a competitive local industry. It's not just about meeting the fact that there must be a local content company, but want to create jobs, build skills, and retain values within the economy of Ghana and in the communities that we operate in Obuasi. All the people we employ in the factory are from the Obuasi enclave, trained by us and kept here and kept being trained under production. For us, this is a call to our partners in the mining industry that they should support us, support others like us. I know a few other companies who are trying to produce locally in Ghana here, in Takwa and other places. We need the mining companies to support us. I always say that between the demand by the mining companies and the supplies that we do, all that is needed is policy from the regulators and the states to make sure that this cycle continues. That is the only way Ghana is going to industrialize. And the mining industry in particular gives us a key ecosystem that can make this happen so quickly. You know, if you produce something and you're not going to look for a market for it, that's difficult. If you have the market and you are not looking for a product, it's difficult. But here we have the demand, they need it, they are importing it right now. We are importing it and selling to them, and now we can produce it locally. What we need now is a policy to tie the two together to make sure that Indian companies with their partners from the OEMs and overseas, because honestly, There are countries that have gone way ahead of us in manufacturing, so you need some input from them definitely. But the idea would be that you bring them down for business continuity and be a part of this new change. Basically, we are inviting our partners to support this ecosystem that we are building. Not just as customers, but they must be partners to us in the industry to make this possible. We are giving an open invitation to everybody here. If you happen to be in Obuasi, visit us in our factory to see what we are doing there. If you have needs and you bring it, we will. Because we have the presses, we have the equipment, there are so many things we can design from scratch and produce for you. So, I want to say that Aku is engineered locally, but we are building products that will be trusted globally.